The best candle making kits for crafting at home. Candles can be a great addition to your home decor. If you wish to make some candles at home, here's our list of the best candle making kits. These kits include high quality wax, a pretty jar, a stirring stick, and soothing oils to uplift your spirits. Candle making can be a great way to enjoy a memorable time with your family and friends, especially during holidays. With various features and components to suit your needs, choosing the right kit can be challenging. So, explore our list to make an informed decision. Number 1. Best Plant-Based Hearts and Crafts Candle Making Kit. Crafted from plant-based additives, the Hearts and Crafts Candle Making Kit is an all-natural product. The kit includes a 10 pounds bag of natural soy wax in flake form, 100 pre-cut and waxed wicks, and 2 aluminum centering devices. The centering device is used to position your wick when the wax is cooling. The candle can produce 20% maximum fragrance. What we like: easy to use, balanced heating, burns clean, no added chemicals, delicate scent. What we don't like: may not have sufficient instructions. Number 2. Best Soy Wax. Hearts and Crafts Complete Wax Candle Making Kit. The kit by Hearts and Crafts is a complete set as it includes a pouring pitcher, 3 wick placing devices, pre-waxed wicks, tins to set the candle, and more. Enthusiasts of all ages can use these sturdy and heat-resistant tools to explore a new hobby. Adding to the kit's feature is its organic soy wax, which is safer for humans and the environment. What we like: easy to use, toxin-free wax, long-lasting, instruction manual included. What we don't like: tins may leak a little, some may find the quantity less. Number 3. Best Complete Kit. Ash and Harry Premium Candle Making Kit. Ash and Harry Premium Candle Making Kit is suitable for beginners and professionals alike, as it is a complete kit that consists of all the necessary items, from vibrant dyes to exotic fragrances. You will find all that you need to create stunning and sensational candles in the comfort of your home. What we like: biodegradable wax, vegan and soy-based wax, easy-to-follow instructions, includes mood-enhancing essential oils, leak and spill-proof packaging. What we don't like: glass jars may not be highly durable, fragrances may not be long-lasting. Number 4. Best Vegan-Friendly Candle Making Kit. Made from 100% natural soy wax, oil, and fragrances, this at-home candle making kit includes supplies such as round candle tins with lids, cotton wicks, scented oil bottles, and warning labels. With easy-to-read instructions, this kit is suitable for pro users and beginners. The kit also has a thermometer for easy use. What we like: spreads scent evenly, includes stirring sticks, vegan-friendly wax, multiple uses. What we don't like: soy wax smell may be unpleasant. Number 5. Best Heat-Resistant Super Sun Candles Making Kit. Super Sun Scented Candle Making Kit allows you to create beautiful, giftable candles. With 9 candle tins, the kit has 4 fun dyes to allow you to make different candles. It is made from 100% natural beeswax and organic cotton. The package includes the necessary ingredients, such as a stirring spoon, 2 wick centering devices, 100 wicks, wick stickers, and more. What we like: easy to make, heat-resistant jug, non-deforming wax, reusable jars. What we don't like: wax may dry unevenly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.